Guys, and welcome back to our channel in the Yoga with Krishna. I'm your Guru Krishna. So guys, today we are learning a new yoga asanas called low-end pose or shihasana. Before that guys, if you're new, then please, as I ask every time, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get more video updates every day. And now let's talk about shihasana. So guys, before we start anything, like who should not do it, who should do it, what is the main benefit, what precaution you should keep in mind, let's just do it, and then we talk about all that thing. So first just see me and then I'll teach you step by steps. Okay, okay guys, so now you just saw how it looks like when you do it. It's quite sometimes it looks funny, but please don't go that part and just do it because it's very beneficial. Now let's talk about how we do it. But before we start doing it, let's learn how to sit properly in this asanas. So before that, we'll sit like this in Vajrasana. See, we not sit on this lotus pose or Padmasana or Sukhasana. In this we just we sit on Vajrasana. So first sit like this and then place your hands here. There is a other variation also, but today we are learning only this one. So place your hand just side by your knee, and then just breathe in, and then with sound ha, ha, you can say ha, and just throw your all your breathe, and start with your stomach and just throw with your mouth. And while you throwing out your breathe, just take your tongue out and try to open and wide your eyes so you feel more intense, and try to make it intense, and just take that last breathe out and hold that position for a while, and then breathe in and then relax. So first let's do it with me. So now first breathe in, and our normal breathe for 2-3 times, and then we do one more time. Now again breathe in and relax. Okay, now you learn how to do it step by step, so just do it. And now let's talk about how many times you can do it. So if you're starting, then don't do it more than 3 times, because 3 times is enough, and it's kind of you're showing from your you are kind of making it so intense. So if you are new, then don't do it more than 3 times. That's it. And now let's talk about some major benefit about this one. When you throwing your your breathe, and putting pressure from your stomach to all your just this respiratory system, so it's the kind of clean all your respiratory systems. And then again, if you have any kind of stomach related problems, it's clean that, and also it's active your vocal cord. So it's very good for actually the singers. Who singers, they can do it. It's very good for them. And then again, it's also put pressure your here, this part, so it's cure also your thyroid problems. And then again, when you're doing it, as I ask you to keep your eyes wide open. So this one work in this particular in this area. So it's remove your puffy eyes. It's activate your ear and then your cheeks and this eyes body parts. So it's very good for all of this face part. And when you do it, it's kind of increase blood flow into your face. So it's remove this black spots and give you glowing skin. And so that's it about this main benefits. Now let's talk about who should not do it. So guys, if anyone just had any kind of surgery or stomach related surgery, then please don't do it. And who having this weak heart or lungs problem, then please avoid it. Pregnant women, I should ask you, please don't do it. And someone is in this menstrual time, then please don't do it. And if you are comfortable, then just 1 or 2 times, but not more than that. And that's it about all these things. Yeah, one more. If someone having this major neck problem, then please don't do it. So that's it all about this one. And now last one, if you like this video and you want someone else to see this one, then please share with with them. And now thank you so much for watching this one. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.